Welcome to Solvetic, your channel to always learn technology easily. Below in the description, you will find useful links we used in this video. Today at Solvetic, we will see how to create an avatar on WhatsApp. The first thing we will do is open the WhatsApp app, then we will click on the three upper points and then on Settings. After that, we will click on the avatar option. Next, you can click on Create Your Avatar to start the process. Then, click Get Started. We will see that we can begin to configure our avatar with the preferences we want. Even if you choose an appearance now, you can always edit your avatar later. Once we get here, we can finish the process or continue customizing more options such as add-ons. Once you're done, click Save and then Save Changes. Your avatar will begin to be created or updated, so click Next. Once your avatar is generated, you can use it to browse stickers or also to create a profile photo with one of the generated styles. Hey, remember to subscribe Solvetic channel. We hope it has been helpful for you. Here are links to watch more videos of your interest and subscribe to the Solvetic channel. Thank you.